How to add favorites at Notion Widget iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, scroll down and select Notion. Swipe to view and choose the widget layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. After that, tap on Done above. You have now successfully added the Notion widget to the home screen. Now, tap and hold the widget to set it up. Here, tap on Choose beside Workspace. And then, select a workspace from here. Following these steps, you can easily add favorites at Notion Widget iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.